We all must have heard that ginger helps in easing an upset stomach. Yes, it does help you to feel better. It can even help to calm jitters or aid digestion. It has numerous health benefits which you have never heard of. Technically, it is a herb, and what we eat is the root of ginger. Its root can be sliced or ground into powder and can be used fresh, pickled or dry. But it doesn't matter how your ginger is prepared, it will still benefit you in many ways. Stay tuned till the end to learn about the unheard benefits of ginger. Like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We post informative videos every week. What ginger water contains? Per serving of ginger water contains 4.8 calories, 0 grams fat, 0 milligrams cholesterol, 15 milligrams sodium, 24.9 milligrams potassium, 1.1 grams carbohydrates, and 0.1 grams proteins. It is also loaded with antioxidants, minerals, and other nutrients including copper, manganese, and magnesium. Health benefits of ginger. Number 1. Anti-inflammatory properties. The presence of gingerol, a main bioactive compound in ginger, has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. It fights too much inflammation. Inflammation is one of your body's natural self-preservation functions, and due to germs, chemicals, and poor diet, and too much inflammation can harm your body. It can also reduce allergic reactions and muscle pain, which people usually experience after a workout. Number 2. Antioxidant properties. It is loaded with antioxidants which can help to prevent signs and symptoms of aging, heart diseases, neurodegenerative diseases, cancer. The presence of antioxidants in ginger can fight reactive oxygen species (ROS), which causes damage to your cells and oxidative stress. Ginger can reduce and prevent the negative side effects of ROS and help you be healthy. Number 3. Hydration. Ginger water hydrates your body and increases your water consumption. Proper hydration is necessary for all of your body's functions and processes. Adding a twist of herbs increases the taste and the number of health benefits you get. Number 4. Anti-nausea and digestion aid. For centuries, people have been using ginger to ease digestion, vomiting, and nausea. Some research has shown that people use ginger for post-operative nausea, chemotherapy side effects, viral nausea, and morning sickness. Though there is not much proven evidence, drinking ginger water can be effective for digestion and nausea. Number 5. Pain reliever. It may help to decrease some types of pain. In a study involving 60 adults with migraine headaches, researchers found that using ginger juice as an additional treatment was more beneficial than using pain pills alone. It can also act as a muscle reliever. If you want to accelerate muscle recuperation, then a glass of ginger water will definitely help you. Number 6. Cholesterol. It reduces high levels of cholesterol which are linked to an increased risk of heart problems such as heart disease and stroke. Adding ginger water to your diet can help to reduce not only LDL, bad cholesterol, but also total cholesterol levels and triglycerides. Number 7. Protects against Alzheimer's. This neurodegenerative disease affects your central nervous system, and ginger helps slow down the degradation of brain cells. The presence of strong chemicals and antioxidants in ginger helps to fight the inflammatory responses that occur in the brain. Number 8. Blood sugar levels. Ginger water helps to control fasting blood sugar levels in people with type 2 diabetes and makes them feel better. Ginger can help treat health concerns caused by chronic diabetes. Even ginger lemon water can reduce the risk of kidney damage and lower the effects of diabetes. Number 9. Promotes weight loss. When combined with a healthy diet and exercise, ginger water can help to promote weight loss. It gives you the feeling of fullness for a longer time, and balanced blood sugar can prevent you from overeating. It helps in weight loss by improving the fat absorbing ability of the body. Number 10. Healthy skin and hair. The vitamins and antioxidants present in ginger add a natural glow to your skin. Drinking ginger water increases your hair's health, improves your skin, and clears your blood. It improves the texture of your hair as it contains vitamin A and C. The antibacterial properties of ginger help in treating and preventing skin diseases. Be careful about the consumption of ginger. Too much of it can lead to heartburn, gas, stomachache, and burning in the mouth. Remember to consult your healthcare provider before consuming it in large amounts. If you are interested in ginger water, start by making your ginger water from a fresh ginger root in small quantities. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.